Everybody in the late 50s, every tractor company was crossing at the mouth trying to figure out how to get a diesel engine in their little utility tractors. And John Deere come up with the idea and married into as Oliver really did with the 3- and 4-cylinder diesel. This is a 2-cylinder Detroit diesel in this one. Okay, Seth, let her go. Let's listen to this Jimmy. Give her a little gas. Here you go. This is one of them that's pretty hard to find if you're a John Deere collector. They're pretty doggone far and few between. All the way from Powder Lake, Texas, probably the furthest traveled or amongst the furthest traveled. Everybody on, grab hold, going down the track, help everybody get on the sled. After we get this John Deere Detroit diesel full, I think it's going to be by getting a little smoke out of her now, but it ain't even down to the short drive. They always said on a Detroit diesel, on the truckers always told me, the only way to drive a Detroit was slam your thumb in the door and get mad and drive that way. They were a high RPM engine, and they had a lot of guts at the high end once they fell down below.